What's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, today we got a nice free watch face for you all to check out. It's the weekend. It's time to get geared up. Now, this is going to be a casual dress down watch face, but it's definitely one that is nice. Again, I don't know how long this watch face is going to be free, so make sure you download ASAP. All right, with that being said, the name of the watch face is called JK01 Analog. I thought the developer did a nice job on this one. In the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look so far as an analog watch face is concerned. It's going to be dimmed down, but it's going to look nice. Now, once the watch face is on, I like the background. I like the index. You got nice fun analog hands, and you're going to get a couple of dials. Now, in your dials, you're going to get your battery info, your step status info right there, and you're going to get the 12 and the 6, and you get nice looking analog hands. I do like the second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch as well, which you can customize. So if I double tap right here, I can change the color of the second hand to whatever you choose, right? Not bad. Now if I double tap down here, I can change the background color as well, which I thought that was cool. You get a few different colors in all, and if I tap here, I can go into my battery info and of course my step status info right here, and you can go in and pull up your calendar as well. So I thought it was a good look for a casual watch face for the weekend. Question is, people, at the end of the day, what do you think? Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. Enjoy your weekend. Have fun with family and friends. Hit the like button on the way out, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.